Hi, I'm Jaden with Vivo, and today I'm going to be showing you how to reset your sit-to-stand desk frame. To start, you'll need to lower your desk to the fully lowered position, and then unplug the desk from the wall for 15 seconds. Once you have done that, you can replug the desk back in, and then press the down arrow until RST is displayed on the touch panel. Once you have done that, you'll need to press the down arrow again until numbers are displayed. Then your desk will be fully reset. If you have any other questions, be sure to contact us at Vivo Customer Support. We're always happy to help. Thanks for watching.